Hey everyone, welcome back to the Den Fireworks on the road. Once again, sorry I'm not using my normal camera for the intro, so it's going to be fuzzed out a little bit. But I'm out at Goldfield Fireworks picking up some of their stuff that I can't get local to take over to their shoot site. Today's video is going to be Out of This Orbit by Hot Fireworks. This is a 12-shot, 200-gram cake, and the performance is powerful and loud, a small piece with many actions. Whistling tail to palm with crackling or strobe, mines to willow with strobe or time rain, Chris with time rain. You guys know I love willows, I love time rain and crackling. This was a no-brainer to check out from Hot. And I know Fireworks Forever has this cake, so it's one I can pick up on the next group buy. So we have 3x4 grid to make up those 12 shots. And for a 200-gram cake, these are really large bores, and that plug is riding right up on the top of this cake. So I am really curious to see if this cake is going to take us out of this orbit or not. So let's take it over to the Goldfield site, light this thing up, and see how it looks. Thanks, everyone.